Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are going to be using the Takeout Treats bundle, and we are going to be making this cute little Halloween sweet treat box. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our stamping, and I have a piece of Whisper White, and I'm going to come in with my gorgeous grape. And we're using Takeout Treats. We're going to be using less tricks and more treats. And we're going to be using the bundle. So it's got a coordinating framelit. So we're just going to center that just like that. Now I'm going to bring in my Big Shot. Now I have 2 window sheets. They're not the same size, but they work. And I have my magnetic cutting plate down. And so I'm just going to get that. Excuse me. Okay, and then I do have room for that. And this piece is also from the coordinating framelits. All right, and we'll run that through. All right, so this is what we want. And let me go ahead and run this one through one more time. I forgot that that window sheet is a little bit thicker. I should be able to run it through with no problem. All right, I was right. Let's get this out of the way. Okay, and so it has all the lines where you need to score it or fold it. All right, so there's one half. All right, last piece. Okay, so I'm going to come in with my tear and tape. And I want to put a piece down here and a piece right here. And then on the edges. And I am going to go ahead and cut it because I want it fully across. Normally I just tear it. I want to make sure that it is all the way across. Oops, I missed one. Fold that. And this tear and tape is perfect for this project. All right, and then we're going to do the other side. And for this, we'll just need the edges here. All right. So what I found is easiest is to put the bottom down first. All right, so you'll just line these up just like that. And then I go round and put the edges on. And I'm just using my paper snips to pull the backing off. If you don't have long nails, it might not be a problem for you, but it's a little bit of a problem for me. So. All right, so here is our little tiny takeout box. Fold arm in, and the Halloween Hershey Kisses go so cute with these. With our designer series paper, we have some spiders and the bats, so I'm probably going to be doing more projects with that. And let's see, I got 9 in there. So probably get 10. Okay, so you close it up just like a regular takeout box. And I promise it's not that hard. Let me go ahead and take out one of those candies. Maybe 9 was my limit here. There we go. So I made a belly band to go around it, and this is Gorgeous Grape, and it is cut at 1 inch by 7 11/16. And then I got the Toil and Trouble Designer Series paper, and this is cut at 3/4 by 7 11/16. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to adhere this to the back. Let's put it even. Alright, so just like that, and then we're going to overlap it here in the bottom. And I'm going to take my tear and tape one more time. And I'm just going to put some right here on the end. Oops, popped open. There we go. So just like that. And it's just able to slide in and out. Put some more tear and tape on that side. Okay, so just like that. And then I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Dimensionals. And let's see, I'm going to put it right here on the side. So, less tricks and more treats. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day. Bye.